a leather cover for protection. Slide it out. Series 5. That's your charger. That's your charging. Open this up and the cable goes in. So now this Apple Watch comes with two straps. This one is the sports strap. Okay, so you open this up and you can see this is your strap. Some instructions how to put the strap on the watch. Like this. Okay, so you have a smaller one and a larger one depending on what size fits your wrist. You use that one. Now this is the one, Milanese loop, so magnetic closure bracelet. Let's open that. Okay, and the watch clips in. Okay, ready for configuration. Initial setup is very simple. Just hold your watch up to the camera and it will pair. Once paired, just select which wrist you want it on. It has the emergency SOS, which can now be used internationally. One of the key features of this Apple Watch is always on display, which means it's the gesture when you raise your arm for this to light up, move it away, and it dims. But you can still look at your time. That means you don't have to annoy someone to keep looking at your watch like this. You can just have a glimpse. You can create your own style. You have the option to select between 40mm or 44mm. Select the case, aluminum, stainless steel, titanium or ceramic. I'll go with titanium. You can also select the strap, sport band, sport loop, leather, stainless steel. Go with Milanese loop. And when you're done, click on done. You can stream the entire music library through the watch. This watch keeps an eye on your heart rate. Open your ECG app, put your finger on the crown for 30 seconds. And you get the reading. You also get a notification on your mobile, on your health app. You can also use the Apple Pay directly with the watch. Just double click on the side button and your Apple Pay will come up. Hold this near card reader and it will pay. I'm going to test the noise app in Apple Series 5 watch. Let's see if it can help. I'm going to increase the volume, see if the Apple Watch detects the noise. Did you see how it tells you that the noise levels are really high, and if you listen to that for 30 minutes, then it's going to cause you a hearing loss. So what do you think of the test? Let me know if you are also guilty of listening to the loud music. for my workout. This watch motivates you to do more exercise. I've been using it for the last couple of weeks, but I will let you know if it does motivate me to do more exercise. I think it's really the mindset, but this watch does remind you, if you have been sitting for a long time, it will remind you to stand up and walk for a minute. So I think that's very useful for some people. Hey, if this is the first time you're visiting my channel, make sure you subscribe and click on the bell icon to turn on the notifications. Compass app is also available in this watch. Very useful to find directions. So incline, ground elevation, latitude, longitude. You can use Siri with the Apple Watch. Just press and hold the crown and talk. You can also find and download the apps directly into the watch. You have the cellular connectivity to make the calls directly from the watch as well. You have hundreds of watch faces and infinite ways to customize them. All you need to do is find out which face you like, just press and hold on that and click on customize to customize them. My favorite is this watch face. What's yours? Let me know what you think, and if you have any questions, then comment below